Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you remove phone number from your Snapchat account. So first of all, what you have to do is that simply open up your Snapchat application and log into your account. Now on your account, you very simply have to open up the settings. Now on your settings, you very simply have to click on the mobile number that is already saved in your Snapchat account. Now you should know that the only way to remove an existing mobile number is by adding another mobile number. You cannot remove any number permanently from Snapchat. So to do this, you very simply have to remove your current phone number and then replace it with a phone number that you don't use nowadays. So you will be able to easily remove it. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.